Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best mechanic toolset that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DeWALT Mechanics Tools. Designed with professionals or serious DIY mechanics in mind, this polished chrome complete 247-piece DeWALT Mechanics tool set comes with a durable plastic box with metal fasteners for easier tool organization and storage. The ratchet tolerates a 5-degree arc swing with quick release, making it efficient and easier to work in small spaces. The set includes wrenches, screwdrivers, female and male adapters, extensions, hex keys, 3 ratchets, and almost 100 different sockets, and includes a lifetime warranty. In addition, this is one of the most portable, complete mechanic sets around, weighing just 33 pounds. One customer wrote, "Everything fits all nicely inside one box." The storage case is large and heavy, but well organized. Moving on at number 4, we have the Stanley Mechanic Tool Set. You won't find a better set than this Stanley 229-piece mechanics tool set for the money. Made with a black chrome plating, these quality tools have both SAE and metric measurements, and the set includes everything a mechanic would need to do their job right, from ratchets, extensions, dozens of SAE and metric sockets, hex keys, nut bits, a spark plug socket, and a screwdriver. This lightweight and portable set is only 23 pounds and is compact, so takes minimal space in the trunk of a car or a busy auto shop. What's more, each piece is covered by Stanley's lifetime warranty. One shopper explained, "Use these almost daily and they hold up to the torture I put them through." Good quality, and there are enough pieces to do most household or shop tasks. At number 3, we have the Deko Mechanic Tool Set. Including a wide range of tools, like wire strippers, spring clamps, hex wrenches, a saw, pliers, drivers, deep sockets, and adapters. This Deko mixed tool set covers most jobs in your home or business. Forged from high-quality steel with a polished chrome finish, these tools are durable and made to last, and also meet ANSI requirements. The carrying case is extremely lightweight at just under 13 pounds and is small enough to fit under the seat of your car. Many customers attest to the high-quality material these tools have, and one buyer raved, "This tool set is really great as an all-purpose house helper." The quality of the tools is very durable for the price. The value for what you get is really worth the purchase. At number 2, we have the Crescent Tools Mechanic Tool Sets. Starter and DIY mechanics need a good selection of drivers, wrenches, and sockets, and this general-purpose set from Crescent includes just that. Including dozens of 1-inch driver bits, over 70 sockets in SAE and metric measurements, a spark plug socket, a quick-release ratchet, pliers, combination wrenches, and 13 SAE and metric hex keys. This alloy steel set can handle most automotive jobs, even those requiring the need to get into tight spaces. Boasting superior resistance to corrosion and abrasion thanks to their chrome vanadium steel alloy construction, these tools also come with a limited lifetime warranty that covers flaws in the material and handiwork. One buyer clarified, "It has all your basic tools needed to get the job done. It's thin enough to fit under the back seat of my truck." And finally, at number 1, we have the Workpro Mechanic Tool Sets. Lost pieces mean lost time, and with this Workpro 408-piece set and its practical 3-drawered durable case with an upper organizer, you'll spend less time searching for tools, and more time getting the job done. The set is made of vanadium steel with a chrome-plated exterior and is etched with SAE and metric measurements for easier identification. Included are extensions, nut drivers, deep sockets, hex keys, spark plug sockets, wrenches, and quick-release ratchet handles. "It's a very useful set of tools with plenty of wrenches and sockets," explained one reviewer. "The top wrench storage is great and is well balanced." Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.